Okay, so if you own one of these Nissan Patrols, chances are that your switches here have blown out, or they will blow out, because it happens to them all the time. Now, I have seen a couple of posts saying that you can't replace these, and I believe that that's bullshit, so we're going to try. Oh, come on. So the first thing we're going to do is there's a couple of screws under here in this dash fascia. So I'm going to take them out. Remember to take these out, because if you forget and you try and take it out without taking them out, you will just break stuff. Ask me how I know. So then, this piece here kind of just pops loose. I'm going to take these 4 bolts out, or these 4 screws out, which will get all this to come loose. What we actually want to do is, over the top here, there's these little clips. We need to take them off. Kind of hard to get to, so if you pull it out to this side, particularly if you have one of these bendy tools, you can do it with a screwdriver. Bendy tools are better. You can actually just... It's hard because the camera's in my way. I promise you it will be easier for you because you won't be trying to film it at the same time you're doing it. Okay, I've decided I need more room, so I'm going to move this out the way for a second. Let's get all this wiring out the way that we don't need. That can go over there. That can go over there. And then this, hopefully, should push back and up. These little switchy covers just pull off like so. Ooh, and you can see the little lighty switch in the back there. There we go. Let's do that. So we can sort of maybe unplug this one. Yeah, so then we should be able to, once you get this to the spot, you can kind of see it, pop this out. Come on, get off. You're just a regular kind of thingy. Alright, so undo that. And then you can sort of, maybe, hopefully, push this lousy bit through. It should just come out there. Hey, there it goes. Okay, cool. There you go. Alright, switch. There's our carrier. Come on, focus. There's our carrier for our light bulb. So then, what we're going to do is, hopefully, turn this and pop it out. Like so. And see, it is tiny. These are a T3 globe. They are tiny. And they are not available anywhere off the shelf. You will go into shops or auto suppliers and they will say, do you mean a T5? No, you mean a T3. I ordered these from China and waited like 6 weeks for them to show up. You can order from other places, but make sure that they are a T3 and that they look at least something like this. So then we're going to take our new light globe, which I really hope is the right size. Make sure you get ones without a polarity, otherwise you'll put them all together and then realize that they don't fit. Put them back in. We're going to turn that. I'm going to try and turn that back into place. That's not locking in. Bigger screwdriver, more force. So we make sure we break it properly if we're going to break it. Oh, yep, that's locked. That's good enough. I've entirely trailed the connections of that up, so this is why we bought a few. Don't buy one, buy many. Light bulb. Doesn't even fit. Horizontal alignment. Good enough. Beautiful. We get to do all that stuff in reverse again. So thumb on the front, push it in. I'll put this clip back into here. Yep. And then we're going to wrestle this back into where it lives down here. Yeah, there we go. And it's got your little alignment holy dowel things. So that's good. I don't remember which way it came off. Go that way or this way? I'm going to assume it's this way. Little groovy bit goes facing inwards. It's definitely inwards. There you go. Gotcha. You can see where I did some issue here. That all gets covered by this. See? No problem. Fixed. Don't worry about it. Small tip, it's easier to get those out if you take the fascia off. And these little knobs just pull off with a little bit of tugging, so do that. rather than breaking stuff. Why is there so much traffic today? Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Ignition on. Head unit, we have power. Excellent. We have one light. It's not... Did that really just blow out on me already? No way. Learnings. So the new globes are slightly bigger than the originals. So when you push the switch, they actually contact the end of the globe, which unseats them and then stops them from working. So you have to bend the globe out a little bit so that they can work without disconnecting them, if that makes sense. I don't know if anybody does the original Nissan globe. And once again, moment of truth. Ignition on, everything else on. We have one light, two lights. Yay. That has been broken for like 4 years. Anyway, so that's how you fix that problem. Can't be fixed, my ass. It's the little stuff on patrols that seem to be overlooked and hard to find. So anyway, as I keep finding it, I'll keep posting it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.